Storms have caused widespread damage from the Midwest to the South, and millions of Americans are bracing for more wild weather.
NBC's Kathy Park is in hard-hit London, Kentucky with more.
Overnight, there were several confirmed tornadoes in Nebraska and Oklahoma, and unfortunately, portions of Kentucky are back in the bullseye again today. Here in Laurel, Kentucky, a likely EF3 tornado came through with wind speeds of more than 135 miles per hour, and everywhere you look, we're looking at massive debris fields. And today, with more bad weather on the way, the concern is what will the damaging winds do with all of this debris still on the ground. Now, yesterday we saw volunteers pouring in from all across the country, residents coming back to their homes, salvaging what they could. But as I mentioned, there is more bad weather headed this way, and officials are urging people who are in the storm's path to basically have a game plan, find a safe space. Remember to avoid windows if you're at home, and if you have a basement, even better, head down there, because as you can see, just how damaging these twisters can be.
That was NBC's Kathy Park reporting. Not just humans, by the way, affected. Severe storms there hit Minnesota, and the veterinary hospital there says they received a record number of injured wild animals.